At easyOffice, we are creators and we have designed for you the ideal office cabinet. With our designers, we have listened to you and we got back to basics. A simple and easy to understand range of cabinets. 2 models, a small cabinet of 1 metre or a large cabinet of 2 metres. A very contemporary design, rounded corners, lacquered top, concealed lock with finishing cover, and 9 different design themes imagined by our stylists for you to choose from. High quality, sturdy and durable. Since 2012, we have delivered more than 100,000 easyOffice cabinets and you have a 5-year guarantee. Ultra easy to assemble in less than 3 minutes and no need for any tools or screws. In addition, your easyOffice cabinet is 100% customizable among hundreds of colors, materials, patterns, and you can even print your own logo. We are proud to offer you the best product at the best price. easyOffice reinvents basic office furniture. Buy your cabinet now. It's easy. Order with just 1 click. We are available on chat or by telephone.